We do have a little cloud cover. That's a good thing. It's keeping our temperatures a touch more mild, and it brought us a stunning sunrise. If you snapped any picture, please share them with us. Pinks, oranges is gorgeous. Temperatures this morning: 59 in LaBelle, Immokalee, 57 Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte, 60 in Fort Myers, 61 in Naples. That's better, right? Much better than the 40s that we felt yesterday. And you can see the 24-hour temperature change significant, 12 to about 18 degrees across the area. Wind speeds are starting to pick up a little bit. We do expect breezier conditions tomorrow ahead of that cold front. Today, it's more of a shift in wind direction, and that's going to start to bring in a little bit more humidity. Northeasterly winds this morning, southeasterly winds this afternoon, and anytime there's a southerly component to the winds, we tend to see these dew points climb. If you remember, I showed you the dew point map yesterday, low 40s, back to mid to upper 50s. So we've already climbed a category on our muggy meter. We're back to being on the muggy meter. Yesterday, we didn't even register. And by this afternoon, as winds continue out of the south and east, we'll hop another category, but it will still feel pretty comfortable. Tomorrow, more warmth builds in, a little more humidity, but then we're already tracking that next cold front that'll drop us back down by Saturday. The reason for the shift in winds, this area of high pressure moving a little further east, that allows the winds to come out of the south and east. And you also notice some cloud cover moving across. We do expect that on and off today, partly to mostly cloudy skies, kind of a sign of what's to come. Already seeing the shower and storm activity spark up with our next storm system here. For today, we're going to watch this track further east. You can see northern Gulf Coast states have a slight risk for severe weather today, but tomorrow, that's when that severe weather risk arrives in Florida. For southwest Florida, for our area, it's very low. Marginal level 1 risk for inland Charlotte and portions of Lee. It looks like a level 2 slight risk for coastal Charlotte County. By the time the storms get here tomorrow night into Saturday morning, we do expect things to start weakening. But that's not to say we couldn't have some stronger storms. Locally heavy rain and gusty winds definitely possible. Timing-wise, we're still seeing the timing wiggle around a little bit. Today, the partly to mostly cloudy skies and mainly dry. Tomorrow, this front will approach from the west and continue tracking further east. It looks like things are slowing down, so right now the window is Friday night into Saturday morning with the locally heavy rain and the gustier winds, but we'll keep you updated between now and then and let you know if the timing continues to change. So tomorrow afternoon looks fine, but it will be a little stormy tomorrow evening. For today, highs going to climb into the upper 70s. That's right on target for the seasonal average under the partly to mostly cloudy skies, and overnight into tomorrow morning staying mild in the 60s. 80 the forecast high in Fort Myers, 79 in Naples and Cape Coral, 78 in Port Charlotte today. Tomorrow, we're going to make it back to the mid 80s. We continue that warm up because those storms hold off until tomorrow night, and then the cooler, drier air moves in behind the front. That'll knock us back down to the low to mid 70s for the weekend.